Hey guys, what's going on? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Here I am back with another YouTube video, just trying to see if I can get this natural slay going on. So if you actually enjoy this video, please give your girl some likes, comment, and subscribe to my channel, homie. Like, what you doing?
Yeah. Oh, hold on. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Woo. Walk it like I talk it. You walk it like I talk it. Walk it.
Hey to you guys, what's going on? Alright, I'm just here to give you the quickest makeup tutorial because I gotta go. Quickest makeup tutorial I'm gonna give you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna give you the real quick. Yeah, let's get started on this video, okay? Okay, I just did my hair. On camera, it looks. Let me get my glasses. On camera, it looks. My hairline looking what? Bald. Anyways, but if my hair is down like this, who the fuck cares? If my hairline is gonna be like this. Alright, let's go on to this video because I just don't care. And I bought one thing I want to do. I bought a Morphe brush set. So finally I got my Morphe brushes on, so I can finally be a little bit professional, you guys. Yeah, all of this. I think I counted 24 brushes. Yeah. Oh shit. So right here I am starting off with a voiceover because yeah, my fan was playing in the background and I ain't gonna do that to you guys. So here I'm starting off with my Kat Von D Lock-It Tattoo Concealer, and I'm just gonna spread that all over my eye. After I'm finished, I'm just setting my eyes with my Laura Mercier powder. Here I'm just showing you my Tarte's Pro palette from Tarte and my Tartelette palette from Tarte. I love these two palettes, but today I am just gonna use the Tarte's palette. Here I'm starting off with Whimsy as my base color. Just gonna spread that all over my eyelids. And then I'm going in with a regular eBay brush and use Vamp to darken that outer corner. Here I'm just blending it all out on my eyelids. Make sure it's all gradient. So next that I'm gonna use is Glam. Right here I am just spreading that all over inner corner to basically the middle of my eyelid and just packing that on, but I'm not trying to go too overboard with this look. So here I'm just taking my favorite eyeliner, which is the Tartelette liquid liner, and I'm just gonna use that to line my eyes. See, my eye makeup is very simple, very natural, and that's what I'm going for. So onto my face, I am going to use my Maybelline Fit Me in 355. I'm just gonna use that as my base. Now I'm gonna start my highlight at this point, and I'm still using my Kat Von D Lock-It Tattoo concealer, and I use that all under my eyes. Frame my chin, my forehead, and then I just move on to blending. Now on to contouring, and now I'm using my Swiss chocolate from MAC just to get a little color back in my face. Now I'm on to setting my face with my MAC loose powder. I think I'm dancing because I'm excited, you guys, because next we are going to use Supernova by Artist Couture, because I just got this at this time. Your girl got way too excited right there, and I overdid that. Okay, I'm gonna come back. Okay, I'm gonna come back. Let's just put on top of the brow.
Bruh.
Oh my god, okay. Alright, let's not do that. Let's get rubbing out my eyebrows already. Fix all of that, my nigga. Let's fix all of that. That was bad. That was so bad. Okay. This is what happened when you want to try too hard. When you want to try too hard in life, this is what you get. As you can see, your girl got way too excited and just dumped all of that on her face with the Artist Couture. But moving on. So I did my lashes off camera because I'm not good yet and not ready to show you my skills. But what I'm doing right now is I'm putting all them colors that I use on my top lid and just placing it on the bottom. And your girl is done, and yeah, just simple makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Okay, so this is my final look. This is my final look. Bitch. Cha, I'm coolest girl in the no. Coolest drunker in the gully.
Well, fuck me on a dirty carpet. Neighbor, what are you doing in H&M? You must have got lost on your way to half a tree. Okay, you shouldn't be. No, listen, my guy. okay? I know you saw what they did with that African kid, and I'm not gonna have you end up on a shirt being the coolest John Crow in a gully.
So thank you again for watching this video, and subscribe, like, comment, share with your other friends. Please support your girl because we want to start this. I love, actually this was a fun little makeup look. I forgot to do one thing. So you have to do it. You just have to spray the air and catch it on your face. I caught nothing. I caught nothing. Okay. I caught nothing. Nothing went on my face. Nothing. Never mind. Yeah, that I enjoy doing this. I think this is gorgeous. This highlight though, the purple highlight, I had to tone it down because, girl, like, I don't know what I was doing. I really don't know what I was doing. Well, I did this makeup video, just a simple makeup get ready with me video, show you how I do this little look. You can recreate it if you want, spruce it up, spice it up, put some pepper on it as much as you want, because I was going for simple today. So if you want to go for extra dextra, you know, dabba dabba do. So again, yeah, I'll see you in the next video.